aiming for gold. We here to take everything, even your soul, yo. Tell me how you like that. We live and we grow, obsessed with the green, I'm willing to fold. We deal with the foes and turn them to ghosts, yo. Tell me how you like that.
What is going on, my friends? Welcome back to another video, an epic video at that, and also, guess what? Another epic truck giveaway going on. That's right, truck sitting behind me that we're going to be going over top to bottom is Wrenchworks giveaway number 19. Appreciate you guys so much for all the support in the past, but Wrenchworks giveaway number 19 is officially live going on right now. The truck that we are nicknaming Crystal, Granite Crystal paint code 2017 Ram 2500 G56 Laramie with a sunroof. This truck is loaded. It's got it all, including your girl in the passenger seat.
Whoa, hey.
Just kidding. Well, maybe not after you guys win, but this truck is going home to one of you guys in a very, very short amount of time. We only run our giveaways about a month long. How do you get in? We're going to get through that real quick. Go to wrenchworks.com. That is our website. That's how you support your boys, support the channel. You pick up anything online. It could be quick entries. It could be merch. Anything on the website. Gift cards, you know, for Granny. It doesn't matter. Anything you buy gets you entries. Side note, launch week is our highest entry multiplier of this giveaway. You guys know we do entry multipliers. They could go up, they could go down. Giving you guys a sneak peek. The launch week is our highest entry multiplier for this specific giveaway. We'll never get higher than launch week. So make sure you guys get entered ASAP. You get your gear the fastest. We did have some delays in our last giveaway. I just want to get that out there. Not to focus on that real quick, but there were some delays. That's fixed, that's gone, that's in the past. I appreciate you guys, all your support. You will get your stuff really, really quickly this time. I can promise you guys that. We're stocked up, ready to go. If it's online, it's in stock, and we just got to get it to you guys. But anyway, let's get into the truck, because the truck, in my opinion, and I do say this a lot, I say favorite a lot, this is probably the most detailed rowdy truck that we have ever given away. But let's get into it. Top to bottom, full overview. Here we go. Granite Crystal paint code. Nickname Crystal because Crystal could be a lot of things. Crystal could be a good girl, if you know what I'm saying, but she could also be a rowdy good time at the same time. So Crystal is pretty fitting for this truck. And I say that because it's got the paint, it's got the powder, she is pretty. But let me tell you, underneath the hood, 800 horsepower, she is a rowdy good time. So you're getting the best of both worlds with Crystal here, and that's why we love her so much, and I know you guys will too. So anyway, exterior-wise, we have got a set of 2-3 designs headlights with the Wrenchworks logo etched in there. We've got their really, really known for thin line designs. Super sick headlights. We got some fog lights that are paint matched. We got Flight Fab tow hooks on this thing. Really went with like the polished look. Again, we kind of base everything off of like the wheels and the color, and we decided to go with more of the polished accenting on this truck, kind of mixing in with the wheels, which we'll get to. But that's why we got the Laramie chrome inserts. Got a paint match grill emblem. Again, you guys know the drill. Brand new fresh paint match on everything. We make sure these things are 10 out of 10 perfect for you guys when you get them, and this truck is zero exception at all. Really, really aggressive look in the front, but again, rowdy but classy, classy but rowdy is what we were going for. So that kind of takes care of the front end. You guys know, you can see the windshield tint going up. We have got a custom set paint match cab lights. We got the antenna paint matched. All the plastics are smoothed. Paint matched mirrors. We've got Boost Auto lights in the mirrors. Again, all the lighting, it's, as you guys will see in some of the B-roll and all that stuff, it's all clear. We got rid of all the amber on the truck, which really, again, with the polished look, just ties together the complete look. Moving down the side. We Nintendo's paint matched mirrors. These are door handles. These are door handles, not mirrors. You guys know we always put 5th gen taillights on our 4th gens. This truck, a little bit different than the other trucks that we have done, has a 5th gen tailgate and a 5th gen rear bumper as well. And if you don't look at it closely enough, you're like, man, what's different about that 4th gen? It's like, well, you can put a rear bumper and a tailgate from a 5th gen to a 4th gen. Just kind of cool. It's a little different, but the body lines still match. Nothing really sticks out that it couldn't be an OEM look. Again, completely paint matched tailgate handle, paint matched badge. We did paint match the plastics on this rear bumper. Because 5th gen rear bumpers have plastics on the lower part and the top part, we wanted a real hot boy street look on this thing. So we did paint the plastics on the bumper, but it just kind of ties. You can see the plastics on this bumper go all the way around it, the sensors, all that stuff. Now, peeking through right here, you can see what powder coat color we went with. We went with Lollipop Red. Real nice candy red that just, it matches the truck perfectly with all the polished. So let's go back towards the front and kind of talk suspension and powder coat. So CJC Off-Road takes care of all of our suspension, setting us up with top of the line Carly suspension. This truck has got a pin top 2.5 kit on it. So it's a 3 1/4 lift, and it does give you rear coils on this kit, along with sway bars, and mixed in with the Carly kit and the King 2.5s that it comes with in that kit. We also opted to go with Brothers Diesel products suspension pieces as well, mixed in with that. Brothers Diesel products, 4-link suspension in the rear, getting rid of those crappy rubber bushing arms, going to a longer bottom bar. Really, really aggressive look. Again, we're mixing performance suspension, performance engine with classy, with just overall package. Moving to the front, you can see a lot more powder coat on there. Again, the pin top kit comes with coils, the King 2.5s in the front as well with the reservoirs. We got some really cool Wrenchworks badges there on the mounts. Brothers Diesel products, front 4-link with their overlays. Again, we did the overlays in Crystal's favorite color, granite crystal, and again, mixing with that red just gives it such an insane look. Just when you think this couldn't get any better, taking a look at the wheels and tires, we have got a set of brand new 24x14 JTXs, fully polished out, brand new 33 1450 Fury tires on there. A really, really nice package. Something you're gonna be able to drive every day if you want to. You can still tow with it if you want to. This thing still is a practical do-all, but we are pushing the limits on something that's wide, that looks really, really good, but just a super, super sick wheel and tire setup for the rest of the truck. The moment that you've all been waiting for. Now, I was gonna say, is that under the hood or is that inside? It could be both. With Crystal, they're all moments that you're gonna be waiting for. So anyway, let's go inside and then we'll come back out. All right, if we haven't already won you over with the look of the truck, the inside does not disappoint either. Fully loaded Laramie interior, G56. Now here comes the kicker, and we hunt these trucks like no other. This right there, that sunroof mixed with a G56 is not something that is super common or that you see every day. So the fact that this truck is what it is, looks this good, and has a sunroof in it, it just gets up there with a really high package. This truck only has 60,000 miles on it, so it's as brand used as you're gonna get. If you can't tell, this truck just gets me excited. Last, but certainly not least, there is some more red powder coat on this truck, and it is under the hood. So you heard me say something, I may have mumbled underneath my breath, 800 horsepower. Now, to make 800 horsepower, there's some certain things that you're gonna need besides red powder coat. But as you can see, through that hood mirror right there, there are some things and stuff going on with Crystal underneath the hood. Now, I could keep going with these jokes about under the hood and Crystal, but when I say a rowdy good time, she's got fuel, she's got air, she's got red powder coat, she is ready to rip, and she is rowdy. Let me guarantee you of that. So brand new fuel system, top to bottom, all the supporting mods that one would want to do with a proper build. It's ready to go. It's ready to rip, and it is such an amazing driving experience that you are not going to want to miss out. So I'm not going to say anything more about that, but you guys can put 2 and 2 together. If you haven't already gotten entered, I really don't know what you're waiting for. Right now is the time. Wrenchworks giveaway number 19 is one of the coolest, sickest trucks that we have ever given you guys a chance to win. And one of you guys is gonna be driving off with this thing into the sunset. And it's an opportunity that you're not gonna wanna miss. Appreciate you guys, as always. Hit the like button before you leave, subscribe already if you haven't already. Share with your buddies, share with your mom, your dad, your grandma. That's gonna wrap up this video, guys. Appreciate it as always. We'll see you in the next video. Go get entered.